This set of notes is called What is an American? This is a hard question to answer because there's no clear-cut answer for that question. America, or the United States, is not like any other country where we have people who are simply homegrown or people who are from this land, and those are the people who populate and make the country grow. America as a whole is a land full of immigrants. You have people coming from all over the world historically. If we look back at our country's diversity, we have immigration where people are coming from Europe during the early 1900s and the late 1800s. We have African immigration in the form of slavery. We have the Great Bering Strait migration with people coming in from all parts of the other side of the world of Asia. So we have a very diverse culture, and that culture has developed, and this is what the United States is known as. You really can't say that any one group of people was from the United States. Their people originated there, and that's how they grew. Because of our diversity, the idea of citizenship has become a challenge for our country. Many people come to this country because they don't fully enjoy the privileges and rights that citizenship has to offer in their other country. So they come here to seek out the American dream, so to speak, or to seek out a better life. As far as citizenship is concerned, there are two paths to citizenship. You're born as an American citizen or you become naturalized. When you become naturalized, you simply have to take a test and you have to swear your allegiance to the United States, that you are now going to forever be known as a United States citizen, or you can share citizenship with another country. Then the United States is known as a melting pot. People look at the United States as a melting pot because they feel like all the cultures and all the diversity that we have in our country, they all mix together to form one new American culture. So you have your Chinese, your Irish, your Italian, your Mexican, and your Russian culture, and they're all mixed in, and that's what we call our American culture. Like when you make a soup or when you're trying to melt something, all the components melt down and it essentially becomes one new thing. If you're making a soup of some sort, you can put all the different ingredients in one thing, but they'll all taste the same. So that's why we're known as a melting pot. After the melting pot, we're also known as a tossed salad. Now, a tossed salad, if you look at it with all its ingredients, all the ingredients maintain their own original flavor. They're not the same. They don't taste the same. So that's why America and the United States is known as a tossed salad, because we have all these different cultures, and they don't necessarily mix to form one new culture, but you have your own independent cultures that are present in one place. So we're all together, but we're all still distinct, and none of the cultures are the same. Now, all in all the people who call themselves Americans, they all enjoy the privileges of citizenship. And as we talked about today, as a citizen, you're going to have duties and responsibilities. So just to recap what we talked about today, a duty is something that you must do, and a responsibility is something that you should do. Here are the examples of duties. You got to obey laws, pay taxes, defend the nation. If you're a male, you have to enter yourself in the draft for the Army or the Armed Services. You have to serve in court, and you have to attend school until the age of 16. Now, all these things have one common theme, and that's if you don't follow these duties, you may end up in jail. Now, the responsibilities for citizenship is that you have to be informed, you have to know what's going on, you have to vote, or you should vote, you have to respect others and their rights, and you have to respect the diversity, since we are so diverse as a culture that everything must be maintained as far as our civility and our overall openness towards other cultures. That's it for today. What you need to know for today is what the idea of the tossed salad bowl means and what the idea of a melting pot means and how the cultures are mixed. We also must take away from this video that diversity is a part of our culture and it's a part of America, and we must respect it and understand it.